Right then, hello, and a massive welcome to the channel. It's SM here, and today we're diving headfirst into something truly special, Easter brunch. Forget those dry, boring sandwiches. We're talking about a proper feast that screams flavor and elegance. This isn't just about chucking a few bits on a plate, it's about creating delicious memories. In the next 10 minutes, we'll explore some delightful Easter brunch ideas that will make your family gathering unforgettable. We're going to transform your Easter table from drab to fab with classics done right and fresh new twists. So grab a notepad, sharpen your senses, and let's get cooking. This is Easter brunch the SM way, with a little Ramsay fire. Right, first up, the absolute monarch of any brunch menu, Eggs Benedict. When done properly, it's a masterpiece elegance on a plate. The beauty of a classic Eggs Benedict lies in its perfect combination of textures and flavors. Toasted English muffin, perfectly cooked Canadian bacon, a gorgeously poached egg, and a velvety hollandaise sauce. Let's talk poaching eggs. Fresh eggs, simmering water, and a splash of vinegar. Create a gentle whirlpool, slip the egg in, and let it cook. For the hollandaise, it's just egg yolks, lemon juice, and melted butter, emulsified. Gentle heat and constant whisking are key. A little cayenne pepper for a kick? Absolutely. Fresh chives for garnish? Beautiful. Don't skimp on the English muffins. Get good quality ones, split them, and toast them until they're golden brown. The ham or Canadian bacon, make sure it's good quality. A quick pan fry to warm it through makes all the difference. This dish, when you present it, looks like you've slaved for hours. It's sophisticated, classic, and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Imagine your family's faces when you bring these out. Perfectly poached eggs, glistening hollandaise, all assembled with care. And the best part? Once you've got the hang of poaching eggs and making hollandaise, assembling them is quick. You can even make the hollandaise slightly ahead, keeping it warm over a bain-marie. So, for your Easter brunch, make the Eggs Benedict the star. Embrace the challenge. Use fresh, quality ingredients. Pay attention to the details, and you'll deliver a dish that's not just food, it's an experience. Think about the presentation too. A little sprinkle of paprika on top of the hollandaise, a sprig of fresh dill or parsley, a perfectly executed eggs. Benedict is a thing of beauty, a true brunch champion. So get in that kitchen, get those eggs poaching, get that hollandaise whisking, and serve up a brunch classic that will have them singing your praises. Stunning. Alright, next on the agenda, something vibrant and packed with flavor, a beautiful spring vegetable frittata. A frittata is not just a lazy omelet, it's a rustic, hearty, and incredibly versatile dish. The magic of a frittata, especially a spring one, is its ability to showcase the best of the season's produce. Think tender asparagus, sweet peas, vibrant spinach, and delicate leeks. The key to a great frittata is good quality, fresh eggs whisked properly. A splash of cream or full-fat milk can add richness. Season your eggs well with salt and pepper. Sauté the vegetables first to concentrate their flavors. Pour your seasoned egg mixture over the tender crisp veggies in an oven-proof skillet. Cook gently on medium-low heat until the edges are set, then finish in a preheated oven. Cheese is a frittata's best friend. Parmesan, feta, or goat cheese add depth and tang. Once it's out of the oven, let it rest before slicing. Serve it warm or at room temperature, making it a fantastic make-ahead option. Presentation matters. Serve it straight from the skillet or on a beautiful platter. A little garnish of fresh herbs on top shows you care. So, for your Easter brunch, don't overlook the humble frittata. It's economical, easy to scale, and a fantastic way to get healthy, delicious vegetables onto the table. Make one that's proud, puffed, and packed with flavor. Your family will thank you for it, and you'll feel like a bloody kitchen hero. Chapter 3. Lemon Ricotta. Pancakes, light, fluffy, and bloody delicious. Let's talk pancakes. We're making lemon ricotta pancakes, light as a feather, fluffy as a cloud, with a beautiful zesty kick from the lemon. The secret to these incredible pancakes is the ricotta cheese. It adds moistness and richness without making them heavy. Use full-fat, good-quality ricotta and drain any excess liquid. Fresh lemon zest and juice add a refreshing zing. Mix the wet and dry ingredients until just combined. A few lumps in the batter are fine. Separate your eggs. Whisk the yolks with the ricotta, lemon zest, lemon juice, sugar, and vanilla. Whisk the egg whites until they form stiff peaks and gently fold them into the batter. Cook on a lightly greased griddle over medium heat until golden brown. Serve fresh from the pan, piled high. A simple dusting of powdered sugar, fresh berries, or a dollop of extra ricotta on the side are perfect accompaniments. These lemon ricotta pancakes are a real treat, perfect for Easter brunch. They feel indulgent yet surprisingly light. The aroma when they're cooking will make your whole house smell incredible. So ditch the boring pancake mix. Take the time to make these from scratch. Whisk those egg whites, fold them in gently, and get that lemon zest working its magic. You'll be rewarded with pancakes that are truly memorable. And when they ask for the recipe, just give them a knowing wink. Or, tell them SM and Gordon sent you. Chapter 4. Smoked Salmon Bagels. Simple, sophisticated, and bloody irresistible. Let's move on to something effortlessly chic: smoked salmon bagels. The difference between a mediocre smoked salmon bagel and an absolutely mind-blowing one lies in the quality of your ingredients. First, the smoked salmon. Get the best you can afford: silky, translucent slices, not dry, overly salty rubbish. Next, the bagels. Freshness is paramount. Toast them lightly for a slight crispness. Use good quality, full-fat cream cheese. Let it soften at room temperature before spreading. Mix in some finely chopped fresh dill or chives for a burst of herby freshness. Assembly is key. Arrange the salmon artfully, allowing it to fold and ripple. Add thinly sliced red onion, capers, and a few slices of ripe tomato for extra layers of flavor and texture. Fresh dill sprigs as a garnish? Absolutely. This is a fantastic option for Easter brunch because it feels indulgent and special, yet requires minimal cooking. Set up a beautiful bagel bar and let everyone build their own. It's interactive, fun, and caters to different tastes. Imagine a platter of these, beautifully arranged, the vibrant pink of the salmon against the creamy white of the cheese. It's visually appealing, incredibly satisfying, and a guaranteed hit. So, when you're planning your Easter spread, don't forget the humble yet magnificent smoked salmon bagel. Invest in the good stuff, take a little care with the assembly, and you'll create something truly memorable. Sometimes the best things in life, and on the brunch table, are beautifully simple, delicious. Chapter 5. Fruit and Yogurt. Parfait. Don't be a pudding, make this healthy stunner. For something lighter and healthier, we're talking fruit and yogurt parfaits. We're creating vibrant, layered masterpieces that are as pleasing to the eye as they are to the palate. The beauty of a parfait lies in its simplicity and visual appeal. Served in a clear glass, the distinct layers of creamy yogurt, colorful fruit, and crunchy granola create an instant wow factor. Start with good quality, thick, creamy Greek yogurt. Sweeten it slightly with honey or maple syrup if you prefer. Fresh berries, sliced kiwi, mango, or blood orange segments add stunning colors and flavors. For crunch, use good quality granola or make your own. Assemble the parfait with clear, distinct layers of yogurt, fruit, and granola. Finish with a final flourish of fruit and perhaps an extra drizzle of honey or a mint sprig for garnish. The health benefits are a big plus: protein from the yogurt, vitamins and fiber from the fruit, and healthy fats from the granola. It's a guilt-free indulgence that tastes fantastic. You can prepare the components ahead of time and assemble just before serving. These parfaits are not just for breakfast, they can be a light dessert too. They're incredibly versatile and feel quite elegant and personal. So, don't underestimate the power of a well-made fruit and yogurt parfait. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, a vibrant celebration of freshness, and a stunning addition to any brunch table. Get layering! Chapter 6. Right, that's your lot, now get cooking. Well, there you have it, you lovely lot. 5 absolutely brilliant Easter brunch ideas that are guaranteed to knock the socks off your family. We've covered the regal eggs Benedict, the vibrant spring vegetable frittata, those divine lemon ricotta pancakes, the sophisticated smoked salmon bagels, and the fresh and beautiful fruit and yogurt parfaits. Each one a stunner in its own right, each one designed to bring flavor, flair, and a bit of bloody joy to your table. I really hope you're feeling inspired to get in the kitchen and try some of these out. Don't just watch the video, actually experiment, have fun with it, and most importantly, taste as you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Right, I'm off. Happy Easter, get cooking, and make it delicious. Cheers.